Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to register on the Bitmart exchange. After entering the website, click on Get Started. In the registration section, you can register manually with email or phone number or linking your account to Google, Apple or Telegram. We choose the manual side, enter your email plus password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. If you have a referral code, you click here and enter it in this section. You agree to the terms and conditions of the website, and finally click on sign up. We will receive a code in our email. We go to email, click on Bitmart, copy the code, and paste it here. We go to the dashboard of our account. Our account has been created. Good luck.